Today I decided to make fish stew, and this fish stew came out really delicious, and it could be used for just anything, for your rice, for your beans, for your okra, just name it. All right, let's begin. After you've thoroughly washed your fish, you add it into your pot. Okay, add this blend consists of pepper, garlic, ginger, and onions blended together. Added it, and then I added my best seasoning. Make sure to incorporate any fish seasoning. Stir together to combine. If you're new here, I want to welcome you to the channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well, right? Yes, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, so you become our family member. All right, here we are open to any kind of correction, observation. It's okay. The fish cooked for about 15 minutes, so I removed and I will fry it until it's dried. Where are you watching from? Please let me know in the comment section so I can send you a virtual hug in my next video. I also want to use this time to appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you for always sharing, commenting, supporting this channel. We appreciate you, right? Thank you so much. This is the last batch of the fish. After the fish was fried, okay, I reintroduced the oil into the pot. I did that because I already built a flavor into that oil, so I want to use it for the stew. So I sauteed onions. When it became fragrant, I introduced this tomato blend. The tomato blend consists of tomato, cayenne pepper, bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, atarudo, onions, everything blended together. I added and covered and allow it to boil for 20 minutes until the water is dried. You can see the bubbles, you know the water is dried here. So at this point, you can decide to add any seasoning of choice. But before you do that, make sure you know the level of seasoning or salt that your stock has, so you don't oversalt the stew. I added a little bit because I already know the level of salt and everything in my stock, so I added the stock at this time. I will stir together to combine. I also added a little bit of bay leaf. I don't like too much bay leaf in my stew. Add the quantity you like, and here I reintroduced the fish I fried earlier. You have to give the fish about 5 minutes to boil into the stew. I also added egg. I don't know if you like boiled egg in your stew, but this is the perfect changer. Look, I don't know, after cooking this food, this egg will bang. It tastes so differently. I see the reason why Ghanaians always love to add egg in their stew, in anything they are cooking. Is delicious. So I added the eggs and I stirred together to combine, allowed it to cook together with the stew for about 5 to 7 minutes, and the stew is ready. At this point, it is ready. You can pair with just anything. You can pair with okra, with rice, with beans, with plantain, and the stew was perfectly cooked, you can say, right? Thank you for watching as always. Till I see you in my next one. Do have a pleasant day.